Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. Check this out. All together on the day so far. Not so far, I'm done trading. So this is $2,364 profit. You guys can see a total of 13 orders, which means that those are included with buys and sells. I took my last order, if you guys can see, at 8:01 a.m. and my first order at 6:41. So pretty much an hour and a half of trading. It's 8:29 right now. Me and the guys right now are gonna go to Joe's Farm Grill and grab some breakfast, and after that we're gonna head straight to the gym. So once I get back, you guys are gonna be seeing exactly where I bought, where I sold, and what led to my success in making a little bit over $2,000 today. So I hope you guys enjoy. What?
Right down the road with these fucking swim trunks.
What's going on, guys? All right, we're gonna head on over to Joe's Farm Grill. I love the car. Jesus.
Honestly, stick to Camry.
Man, I just want love sometimes. I just want pub sometimes. We fucking on them drugs sometimes. Just wanna be the plug one time. PR firms gotta be the feds. Telling me if I spend these petty fees with money that I feed myself with, that I'd probably be with wealth when you made that call. Telling everyone I'm in charge. I get on, I'ma never go blind. Fish in a pond can't even correspond. End up on the hook, man, that can change your life. That can change your night, that can change your view. You see what the fame will do. Think about my craft as I like this. Once I get a meal, man, I ain't writing shit. You can tell the world, dog, I ain't fighting it.
We're gonna sell it! So Weston and Caleb are actually on their way to meet up with someone to potentially sell the Acura. I don't know if you guys remember, but they traded a Jeep that they bought for $12,500 for that Acura. Someone traded in their Acura, and that Acura they're selling for $17,000. So that's a $5,000 or $4,500 margin. So huge congrats to them for absolutely killing it in the car market. I'm gonna go ahead and the whole team's here at the TechBuds house. So I'm gonna park, say what's up to everyone, and then get this video kind of together and upload it on YouTube. So yeah. Just like that, you're back. That was California.
That was sick, you missed out.
So who's that girl?
¿Cuál de todas, bro?
Who was the girl over at your house yesterday?
There was a girl over at your house yesterday and the day before that.
Oh, what's her name? Stephanie? Megan?
What's yours?
Lily? Hag?
I like that.
He traded his guns for love, but he's caught in the crossfire. And he keeps waking up, but it's not to the sound of birds. The tyranny, the violent streets, deprived of all that we're blessed with, and we can't get enough, no. Heaven, if you sent us down, so we could build a playground for the sinners, play as saints. You'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds around, cause you're the only refuge now. For every mother, every child, every brother caught in the crossfire. For this it's caught in the crossfire. For this this. It's caught in the crossfire.
Alright team, so I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. As you guys saw, I did absolutely nothing special today. I made it super clear, right? Before we went ahead and began to trade, if you tuned in within the Learn Plan Profit live stream, if you're part of the Learn Plan Profit team, I pretty much day trade live every single morning. And one of the first reminders, one of the first things that I said is I pointed out /CL. /CL in the overall market were super overbought and super overextended. It began to consolidate and then began to make lower lows and lower highs. It broke below the overall SMA line, and all I focused on is, again, the direction. There was nothing special that I did today that none of you guys can't do. And because we understand that when crude oil /CL sells off, that means that the inverse ETF DWT will then begin to push up, and all we waited for was confirmation. We went with the flow, just like we talked about yesterday in our Sunday Stock Talk. It's allow the opportunity to present itself. So just like we do every single day, as day traders, we are put up to the plate. We are tested with our ability to identify patterns, identify direction, and wait for confirmation, and of course, manage our risk. And today I did a beautiful job exceeding my daily goal of the 1.5%. 1.5% is something that I aim for every single day. It's not something that I hit every single day. Today's a perfect example that within 1.5 hours of trading, I was able to exceed that. But within the first 30 to 50 minutes of trading, I was only up $65. So it just makes it that much more clear how important it is to allow an opportunity to present itself, to allow the action to be happening, and to make sure that you're ready to take action. So when that opportunity does present itself, that you're not stuck in another trade. So all that played in my favor today was my patience and my understanding that I needed to allow /CL to begin to clear its direction and indicate if it was trending up and trending down. Because it was so overbought, we waited for lower lows and lower highs, and after that, we kind of just went with the flow. We tried to buy at low price points for DWT and would sell when it would become a little bit overextended, exactly how you saw me lock in profit on DWT. And that's what led to me making a little bit over $2,300 today. So at the end of the day, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, you heard me talk about them in this video. It's the Learn Plan Profit Group, and it's absolutely the only group that I work with every single day. So if you like what you see on my YouTube videos and you would like to work with me closer, the only group that I work with that gets to watch me trade live every single day, the only option that I offer is the Learn Plan Profit team. Do you need to join our team? No, but if you want my assistance and if you would like the ability to watch me trade live every single day, then that is your only option that I offer. So I really do appreciate your guys' time. If you guys have even 5 minutes, click that second link below, learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit Group, and see if it's a good fit for you. At the end of the day, I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. I really hope that you guys understand how important it is when it comes down to day trading to allow the opportunity to present itself every time that you step up to the plate. So there we go, /CL is already making lower lows, which means that DWT is gonna continue to push up. I'm done trading, I'm not gonna trade anymore, but it's just really cool to see how we're able to point something out and it just continues to go with the flow, right? Thank you guys again for your time. Continue working hard, continue following dreams. Let your passion be your drive to your success. Let's be consistent, let's lock in profit, and at the end of the day, let's have fun and make some money. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.